Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you StarMaker how to get rid of Josef. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To get rid of Josef on StarMaker, meaning stopping seeing their comments, messages or collaboration requests, you can simply block them. So to do it, head over and open up your StarMaker app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the search bar on the top of the screen. Then once you are here, what you need to do is simply enter in the username of the person that you want to block. And then once you are inside the profile of the person that you want to block, you'll be seeing a three-dot icon on the top right corner of the screen. And then on tapping it, you'll find an option that says block right here. Simply tap on block and the selected person will be blocked, which prevents them from following you, sending messages or interacting with your content. Now if you want to unblock someone, what you need to do is just simply return to your home page and then tap on me on the bottom of your screen. And now once you are here, tap on the gear icon on the top right, and here you'll find the block list. Simply tap on that and select the user and then select the unblock option. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.